What's up guys, it's TTC here, and today I'm bringing you a vlog, and this is like a back way camera, because I've got to show you something interesting. Like, it's not happened a lot really recently. Over the past couple of days we've had a heat wave from Spain, and there was a heat wave from Spain, and you can hear that it's like really bad. I just wanted to bring a vlog because I've never done like a big vlog before, but you know, there's a taxi down there. Like, what the fuck you doing? What the fuck you doing? Recording you fucking knobhead. Yeah, but okay. So yeah. Whoa, I nearly fell then. Yeah, I'm really scared. Oh my god, I'm really scared. The fucking taxi's looking at me like, what the fuck you doing? I'm scared. Let's pedo him. Let's pedo him through the I put it the wrong way around, haven't I? Ah, I did. Oh my god. Let's see if we can pedo him. Oh, there's a bit of a flash there. Yeah, you seen it, guys? You seen it? I'm not the only one. Am I the only one that saw it? Oh, there we go. Let's have a look at that taxi driver again. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm scared. I'm really scared. Like, I'm not very fond of lightning, but it's very delayed, so. Oh crap! That was a big one. Yeah. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll speak to you guys in the next. Peace. Hello guys, we're back with another part, and we're like out here at the minute, and I'm not very scared to do this, so like, I know some people would be, but we're gonna, where should we camp? We're gonna camp in the tree. Oh my god. We got nowhere to camp. We got nowhere to camp, little child. There's like stings and everything. Ah. Let's just sit over here. Let's sit on the... Oh no, everything's soaking wet. Why did I agree to this? Let's sit on the football. Yo, we're getting drenched, lads! Lads! We're back. I know football. Let's try and enjoy ourselves before we die. Guys! Whoa! Whoa! Guys, if you did enjoy that vlog and you would like some more vlogs in the future, please drop a comment and subscribe, peace.